Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, so I am at the Crimson in Houston, Texas. This is a gorgeous high-rise, and it's one of my favorites. It's in the beautiful River Oaks area, the very prosperous, very safe River Oaks area. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some more content. We've been here before, we've taken some content. I love it every time we come here, but we're gonna see some additional things here today. We're gonna go back to the model that we've seen before, but then we're also gonna explore a couple of other floor plans, and I believe they're new. We've never had them on video. We're also gonna go back to the amenities and see them, and we've got a new camera, so I am thinking that the quality is gonna be better than we've ever seen. That's the goal, and we're gonna go just enjoy the Crimson. This is gonna be the best tour ever of the Crimson, and it's great because you don't need to come in person. You just watch this series of videos, probably about 12. They're really short, and just let this play, let the playlist play, and just have your enjoyable tour of the Crimson. If you have any questions at any time about anything you're seeing here on any of these videos, my number is below. That's my personal number. I'm Graham Bynum, and you can just say, hey Grant, love your video. I'd like to get some questions answered and just chat with you. I'd love to hear from you, so just chat back. Okay, so the next video, we're gonna talk a little bit about the area. You're seeing a little bit of it already, but we're gonna talk about it. So let's